Here's a little video of our newest little ratty babies playing with our doggie. One of our doggies, anyway. We have, if you can see them, there's Ariba, the black and white one. Hey, little guys. And Maple is there somewhere. Yeah, there's Maple. Hello, Maple. And Ariba. And Cherry Pie playing with the ratties. She thinks they're puppies or something. That's so cute. Are those your puppies, Cherry? Oh, Cherry, are those your puppies? Are those your little puppies? Oh, here comes Ariba.